Well, hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you for coming here to learn the dance Fuego. This is a 48 count improver level line dance. It is 4 walls. It is choreographed by Mama Kelly, and it's really fast. So when you are practicing with me at the end, if you want to slow it down on YouTube, on that little settings wheel, if you open it, there'll be a setting there where you can change your playback speed. So if you need to slow it down to practice it, that's how you do it, okay? So if you didn't know that, now you know. So I'm gonna turn around and, oh, my doggy's really in the way of this one. We'll see what happens when I start stepping on him. This is Scully. All right, Scully, what are you doing here? Okay, Fuego. We're gonna start with a side rock and a little weave. We're gonna go right, left, cross, back, side, front, and to the left. Side, rock, back, side, front. And you want to keep those steps relatively small because the music really is fast, and if you take big steps, you're really going to have a hard time keeping up. With counts, it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Moving on to the second count of 8. Take your right foot, we're going to do 2 quick little heel switches, almost like little kicks. You're going to go right and left and bring your right foot forward on the ball and take both of your heels and swivel them or flick them to the right and then come back, and you're on your left foot. That looks like this. It goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right foot is free to do a coaster step where you step back, together, forward, and take your left foot forward like you did on the right here, and now take your heels and swivel them to the left so your heels come off, flick, and come back down on your right foot. So it goes up, down, okay? And those kicks, those little heels are pretty fast, so they almost, here I go stepping on my dog, they almost feel like little kicks, okay? So we're going to do that with counts. Second count of 8 goes 1 and 2, step, tap, swivel the heels, coaster, back, together, forward, step, swivel your heels. That is your second count of 8. Your third count of 8 starts with a coaster step from here. 1 and 2, so that's the left foot, and take your right foot and do the heel switches again. 3 and 4. And rock, 5, 6. That is a rock recover. I went forward on my right, back on my left. Follow your right shoulder with a turning half shuffle. I'm just going to do it, then I'll break it down. Step, together, step. So the turning shuffle, if I wasn't shuffling, I'd be going backwards, and I'd be going right, left, right. When I'm doing a half turn, as I start it, I take a quarter turn on it. I bring my foot together, and then I finish it at my new wall, okay? So let's go over that last kind of 8 that we just did. So it finished with your swivels here. You're gonna coaster step, you're gonna go back and front with the heel, and a rock, recover left, go step, together, step, and you are at 6 o'clock, okay? I'm gonna go back to the beginning so that you can see how those steps kind of go together, okay? First count of 8, side rock, 6, 7, 8. You have 1, 2, back and front, side left, 6, 7, and 8. With the heel, switch the heel, tap the toes, swivel, swivel, coaster back and front with the swivel again, coaster 1 and 2. Now heel and heel, rock, recover, turn right, 7 and 8. Okay? So that those 2 8s feel, they're difficult because the steps that you're doing are the same steps, but the order gets kind of turned around in the middle of it. So it might take a couple times to run through that. The next count of 8, you're going to do another rock recovery. You're at 6 o'clock. Take your left foot forward, rock, recover. Now when you recover back on that right foot, start to open up your left shoulder because that's the one you're going to follow. Only this shuffle is a 3/4. So we need to get all the way here. So I'm going to go step, start my turn. I'm going to bring it together and I'm going to step it to my new wall, okay, which is the 9 o'clock wall. So that is my left foot going rock, recover on the right, travel to my left, left, right, left, and I'm at 9 o'clock. Okay? That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Take your right foot. You're going to do a cross kick. You're going to go kick across, kick side, and another coaster step back, together, forward. And those counts are 5, 6, 7, and 8. Looks like this. 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that count of 8, starting at 6 o'clock, you're weighted on your right. 7, 8, rock left, right, triple, three-quarter turn, kick, kick, coaster, step. I'm going to take you back to the beginning for continuity. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go rock, recover, right, rock, recover, left, right, left. Heel, and step with a swivel. Coaster, back, and step with a swivel. Coaster, back, 2 heels, rock, recover, half a turn now, step together, step. Three-quarter turn, step together, step, kick, front, side, coaster, step. That was cute, wasn't it? That's where you finish that count of 8. Now, you just did this on the right foot. You're going to do the same thing on the left, but it starts on count 1, so it's a new 8 count. So my left foot will go over and out, coaster, step. I'm going to step to my right, and as I step to my right, I'm going to do like a little shake with my body, a little wiggle. Shake, and I'm going to be weighted on my right. And that count is 5, 6. 5, 6, my left foot is free, sailor step, behind, open, open. Back, side, out. This is what the sailor step looks like. Behind, open, open. That whole count of 8 with my back to you has my left foot going over, out, coaster, step, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yeah? Okay? I'm going to go on because you're going to be continuing with a couple more sailor steps. So the first sailor step, after I did my left, kick, sailor step, shake it out, left, right, left. So I'm weighted on my left on count 8. My right foot is going to do a sailor step staying right here. Behind, open, open. A third one, left foot. Behind, open, open. That's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Take your right foot, you're going to cross it over, put a little weight on it. You're going to do a full turn all the way back to this wall, getting weighted on your left. Now you have time for that because this is 5, 6, 7, 8. You're on your left foot, so your right can do that rock recover. So I'm going to go over the last count of 8. I'm going to turn my back. So the 8 before that, the 2, 8, that was kick, kick, coaster, step, shake, out, sailor step. We go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, rock, recover, but you'll be at that wall. Okay? Well, you're grown and making all sorts of noises. I don't know, maybe he's having a hard time learning the dance. So, I'm going to go from the top. We're going to do 2 walls. Let's see what happens. 5, 6, 7, 8. Side 1, 2, weave, 3 and 4. Go 5, 6, weave. Here's your heels. Heel and a heel with a swivel step, coaster, 5 and 6, swivel, 7, coaster again. 1 and heel, and 3 and 4, rock, recover, half turn, 7 and 8, rock, recover, 3/4, 3, kick across, 5, 6, coaster, 7, left foot goes out, 2, coaster, 3 and 4, step, shake, sailor left, 7 and 8, sailor 1 and 2, sailor 3 and 4, cross, 5, turn, we'll start it again, we'll go 1, 2, a 3 and 4, a 5, 6, a 7 and 8, heel 1 and 2 with a swivel and go to your coaster step and a swivel again, 1 and 2, heel 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, half, 7 and 8, 3/4, 2, 3 and 4, kick front and side, coaster 7 and 8, front and side coaster, 3 to the right, and little shake here with the left sailor step. Right sailor step, 3 and 4, cross 5, turn, 7, 8, and start it again. And that's how you do Fuego. So we have to give it a try with some music. I'm navigating my dog. So I'm gonna turn it on and we'll give it a shot.
Oh, I already see what it is. He thinks he's a gangster. Mr. Colin Paul, gangster, cause you did time. Oh, listen,
Here we go.
don't cross the line. Yo no juego, lo único que tengo es mi palabra y los dos juegos. Soy de frente en movimiento, oye, es alimento, vengo, mira abajo lo siento, pero la verdad es que no pueden con esto. Y si tú crees que lo tienen bien puesto, entonces no está puesto. Thanks for gangster, cause you did time. Oh, listen, no gangster, don't
starting there. We did it. I didn't step on my dog. I got close, and he certainly didn't want to move, which is really funny to me. I guess it's used to me dancing around the house. Anyway, thanks you guys for coming once again to my channel. If you aren't subscribed, you know I always ask you very nicely, please subscribe. Please like the video, make your comments, share the video. That would be awesome. And if you're in the Los Angeles area, give me a call, look me up. Maybe you get a chance to meet Scully. And I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks again. Whew.